Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So this video has been requested by multiple viewers. I've actually filmed this one a while back and just now getting around to editing it. You'll definitely notice the difference in hair color from then and now. So if you guys are interested in seeing what my Michael Kors handbag collection is, stay tuned and watch, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. This video is a Michael Kors handbag collection. I want to share this with you guys. This is in no particular order. I am just gonna grab one bag at a time and show it to you guys. So let's begin. The first bag that I'm gonna show you is ironically my first Michael Kors bag as well. This was a Mother's Day gift from my husband. This is the Hamilton Satchel. It is in the gold hardware, in the pebbled leather. It smells like brand new leather still. So this has a clochette that has the key to the lock that is in here. So you can actually use this lock if you want to. And I just stuffed this one with the original stuffing that it came with. Can't remember the last time I used this one. It's been a while. So the next ones that I'm going to be showing you are my Selmas. I have a few Selma. I've actually made a video of my Selma collection video. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested to see that. But here is the next bag in my collection. So the Selmas are in no particular order. Here is the first one that I'm showing you guys. This is in the silver hardware. I don't usually have a lot of bags that is in the silver hardware, but I didn't mind getting this one because I really love the color of this one. I believe the color of this was, I can't remember what was the name of the color, but this is in a really cool gray color. So that, and for you guys who are familiar with the Selma, it comes with a strap. You can either use this one as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag, however you prefer it. This is in the medium size. So the next Selma is this one in the mandarin color. I really love this color. It is so vibrant and so cute. This also comes with a strap that you can use as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So the next Selma is, this is in my favorite Selma color. This was the first Selma that I ever got. When I got this one, I believe they called the color Zinnia. It almost looks like a hot pink from the video, but it is not really. It's a little muted hot pink, which I really love. And as you can see, there's a lot of color transfer on the back part of the bag if you like wearing dark denim jeans. And this is also in the gold hardware. I really love the Selma and also the Saffiano leather because it really retains its shape. So this next one I have not used yet, so I'm not sure if I am gonna be keeping this one or giving this later on as a gift, but I still have it. It is in its original packaging. So let me show you guys it. So this is the only Selma that I have in the medium. All the other ones that I have shown you were all in the large size. This is a studded Selma. I have not used this one yet. I really like the color. Although it looks small, but it is very roomy inside. You can definitely fit a lot of things in here. Here is the strap. I put 2 ribbons on both ends. That is how I store them so that my straps don't look wonky. So the next one that I am going to be showing you guys is, it doesn't have the Michael Kors dust bag. So what I did was I made my own drawstring bag for this bag, since when I bought it, it didn't come with its dust bag. This is the only Michael Kors bag that I bought at TJ Maxx. I haven't been to a TJ Maxx here anymore because we don't have one nearby. Before we moved here, We had a TJ Maxx near us, so we always went there. And when I saw this one, I decided to buy it. So this was one of their bowler bags. It comes with a shoulder strap, so you can wear this one as a crossbody bag as well. So I am not sure where the strap of this bag is, but this is my bowler bag. It has this really nice and oversized keychain on the bag. I love that. And it is in the gold hardware. It has 2 back pockets, and also it has 2 zippered pockets in the front that you can fit like small things in there. I really love that. And it has a huge compartment inside. So yeah, this is one of my most used bag from before. So when I bought this one, I used this a lot of times. This has held up very well. I don't see any tarnishing, considering how much I've used this out when I went to the Philippines 4 years ago or 5 years ago. So yeah, it still looks really, really good. There's still so much life to this one. I might very well end up giving this, we'll see. That is the bowler bag from KORS. I have to find out where my straps for this one is. So the next one that I have is another new bag that I have not used yet. Not sure if I'm giving this as a gift or keeping it, but I may very well keep this one because I really, really love how it looks when you're using it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So here is the dust bag. As you can see, it's really teeny tiny. This is the small Cynthia. I really, really like it. A really cute bag. I love that quilted details on the bag all around it. This is also in the Saffiano leather, so it will definitely retain its shape. And I also love that it has a zippered compartment in the middle. Here is the straps that come with, so you can wear this one as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. I love it. I also love this key fob that it comes with. It is so cute. It has the MK there, and if it flips to the other side, it also has that MK on the opposite side. And I love this oversized chain detail on the handle, so you can let that hang in there if you're wearing it as a crossbody bag. The straps goes on the inner D-rings in here. So the last but not the least, this is one of my favorite KORS bag that I have. This is in a different type of leather, so it was a little pricier than the regular ones that you would buy. I was so peeved when after buying this one, I think a few months after, they actually sold the regular leathers at a sale price. So I was so pissed when I saw that one, but I don't think they sold this kind of leather in a sale price because this was really pricey. Back then it was pricey compared to how a regular KORS bag would have sold. So I think he got me this for almost $600. I can't really remember exactly, but yeah, I think it was almost $600. I love this one because of the kind of leather that it is. So if this is not stuffed, it actually squishes, and I usually don't fill my bag so much, so when I wear this one as a crossbody, it just slouches like that. So I really, really love it. I only wear this one as a crossbody. Here is the strap for this one. It's been a while since I used this bag. The funny thing is, in one of the episodes of The Real Housewives of Orange County, I saw one of the, I can't remember which if it was Tamara or somebody else, but she was wearing this exact bag. I was so shocked when she was wearing it, but that was back then. This was like one of the more expensive ones during the time, which was what, 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. So yeah, that is it. So this bag concludes my Michael Kors collection video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions at all of all the bags that you've seen today, please comment down below for your question and ask away. I would be happy to answer your questions, and I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!